All right, keep an eye out for my family. It's a woman and a boy, about this size.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
I see.
Let's just have a look around.
I'm sure we'll find them.
Yeah.
Life looks rough out of here.
You got that right.
Never actually set foot in a place like this before.
Oh, yeah? Mr. Fancy Pants with a college degree and a banking job?
Not like any of that helped. I'm here with you now.
Should be happy. I'm great to be around.
Keep telling yourself that. Anyway, let's find your family.
I'm looking for someone.
So am I. My goddamn husband. He better be back soon.
What'd he do?
That bastard's been cheating on me, and nobody cheats on Martha.
I guess he didn't know that. Good luck anyway.
If you see him, you let me know.
I'll tell you what. If I see him, I'll think about it.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to forget.
What are you trying to forget?
I used to have 3 cars, 2 houses, and a beautiful, gorgeous wife, and a mistress. Now it's all gone.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay.
But I'm wondering if
What happened?
Gambling.
With a kid
Oh,
this tall.
that would do it.
Yep. She's hot, right?
Of course she is. She's my wife.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
So when was the last time you saw her?
I see her every day.
Oh, yeah? Where's she at?
How come you don't know where your lovely wife is?
Don't be a smart ass, man. Just tell me where she is.
Okay, just continue down that road.
All right.
Hi there.
Hey, man.
Can I have a go?
Sure thing. Here.
Thanks.
Hey.
Hey, want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Here you go.
Thanks. Nice.
Nice.
Swing and miss.
Come on.
Thanks, I'm done.
Thanks.
Okay, see you
I'm
around.
done.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey,
Hi there.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, you interested?
can I take a swing?
Yep, go ahead.
I'll do a
Thanks.
few pitches.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you.
Shit. Yeah. Yeah. To the moon.
Good hit.
Oh yeah, curveball. Boom. Shit.
That'll do for now. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm good.
Sure. Nice batting.
Hey, I see my kid over there. Come on, let's check it out.
Come here.
Hey, Linda! Over here!
Leo! Hey!
Cops.
Afternoon, ma'am. Everything all right around here?
What do you want?
Mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, I do mind. I'm kind of busy here.
Ma'am, your husband is broken out of prison.
Stop calling me ma'am, okay? I have no clue where he is.
Listen, if he tries to make contact with you, you let us know.
Yeah, sure. Goodbye.
We should be fine now.
Right.
We good?
Of course we are. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. Hey, Alex! Look who's here!
Alex! Hey, buddy.
Don't worry, Leo. He's just a little bit upset.
He found out?
Yeah, he saw it in the papers.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, baby. Come here. So, is this the guy?
Yeah, this is, Vincent.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Hey.
Linda, I need to tell you what's going down.
Yes, but first, you need to go talk to Alex.
Of course. Hey, did the cops bother you?
No more than I can handle.
What'd they say?
You know, the usual bullshit.
Oh, trust me, I know. How you holding up?
Leo, listen. We can talk later. Go check up on Alex first.
Okay, I will.
Probably leave them alone.
This was a great day. Hey, Alex.
Leave me alone.
hate being away from him. Come on, buddy. Come on, just let me up. Alex. Hey. What's this? Hey, look, your sign is broken. Why don't you come down and help me fix it? No? All right. Don't worry, I'll fix it for you. Let's see. I think I'm gonna need a hammer.
Hey, I could use your help. Can you get something for me?
You needed help with something?
Yeah, I do. Grab me a wrench from the
Oh,
shelf
this
there,
sign is
please.
beautiful. Alex, you should come down and see it. I love you, buddy. I love you so much.
You wanna play some basketball?
Sure. But you know I'm better than you at basketball, right?
No, you're not.
Yes I am. You wanna shoot some hoops?
That could be fun, but maybe we should get going.
Oh, come on, just one game?
Come on, Vincent.
Okay, guys. One game.
Get ready to lose, boy.
I'm gonna win.
Ah, you know I'll win.
Are you guys ready?
Oh, we're ready. Let's go.
Okay.
Here. Catch, buddy. Right in the net.
Yay, I scored!
You're good, Alex. Really good.
You think?
Yeah, you should become a pro.
Really?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. You're a natural talent. You're way better than us two.
I'm gonna be the
Hey,
best.
beautiful.
Hey. Well, would you look at that? You guys seem to be getting along all right.
We are. But I need to get going soon.
Yeah, I know. I'm just happy to see him smile again.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, let's talk.
So,
Alex, here you
this
go.
is home now?
Not for long. If the cops found us, then Harvey could too. We gotta get moving.
You know what? Let's just leave. Let's get out of here.
And you really think Harvey will leave us alone?
That murdering bastard. How the fuck could I trust him?
It is what it is. This is the life we chose, Leo.
Heads up.
Let's just deal with it.
Yeah. I'm gonna set things right. I'm going after Harvey. He's not gonna get away with this.
Heads up.
Linda, any idea where Ray is?
Ray, what do you want with that asshole?
I need to find him. I'm sure he knows where Harvey's hiding. Have you seen him lately?
Yeah, he's working at that new construction site downtown.
Okay, good. I need you to be ready to leave the country as soon as I'm back.
Don't worry about that, I'll take care of it. You just make sure to get back safe, okay?
Yeah,
No, don't just yeah me. Get back safe or I'll kick your ass.
okay, I promise. By the way, do you still have that piece?
I do. Wait. Here you go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Did you see my shots?
Yeah, you were really good. Like I said, you're a real pro.
You think?
Nice going, buddy. Look, I have to leave now.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. But you take care of your mom now, all right?
Can't we play one more game?
Next time, I promise. Now, come on, give me a hug. All right, buddy. Go to your mom now.
Okay.